Welcome to SabiTech. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the Zoom link to any course on UI LMS Portal. Firstly, we log into our portal. Click on the desired course. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the Week 1 field. Click it. Note, this is the format for all the courses, and don't forget that if you enter a new week, you will choose that week. If you can't find it on the page, directly click on Announcement. Navigate to the lecture link section. If you are looking for Physics 103 discussion forum because lots of people have been finding it hard to find it, use this same method on the course and click on the first option you find when you get to this page. After a little scrolling, you would probably find the link to the Zoom room.